Hello students of Standard 2nd DAV Mall Public School Sita Songi welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is Puss and the Parrot. This is revision portion. This topic is taken from your English reader. This topic we learned in the previous videos. Okay, today we are taking revision. So let's start today's online class. It is raining. Look at this in the PPT. We can see in the video raining. And this season is also rainy season. Let's start today's online class. Puss and the Parrot. The topic is Puss and the Parrot. As we learn in the previous videos, previous online class. Okay. It is raining. It is raining. Puss the cat is feeling hungry. Who is feeling hungry? Puss. The name of the cat is Puss. Puss the cat is feeling hungry. There is no food. There is no food. Students, you have to read after me. It will be improve your reading skill. There are no rats. What is the food of the cat? Rats. Yes. But there are no rats. That's why the Puss is feeling hungry. He looks here and there. Who looks here and there? Puss. Yes, Puss looks here and there. He sees a parrot sitting on a tree. Look at this. In the picture we can see a parrot on a green tree. He requested the parrot. Now this is the conversation between Puss and the parrot. Puss is the cat and a parrot. Okay. Puss says, Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me. Who says? Puss says to the parrot, Mr. Parrot, you sing well. Please sing a song for me. Then Parrot says, feeling very happy. He feels very happy because Puss appreciates the parrot that he sings well. So he feeling happy. Yes. And he started. Who started? Parrot started singing a song. La 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 la. Dum dum day. La 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 la. In this way, Parrot started singing. Then Puss says, I can't hear you, Mr. Parrot. Please come near to me. Who says? Puss says that he can't hear because the distance is long. So he says, please come near. Parrot says, no, Mr. Puss, you may eat me. Who says? Parrot says to the Puss that you will eat me if I will come nearer to you. Puss says, no, my dear, I am an old cat. Who says? Puss says that I will not eat you because I am an old cat. I have no teeth. I cannot eat you. I have no teeth and I can't eat you. Puss says. Then Parrot thinks that yes, it is an old cat. Then Parrot. Then here I come. Parrot come to near to the Puss and says, here I am, and started singing. La 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 la. Puss jumps on the parrot because that is the plan. Because that was the plan of a Puss, that if the parrot will come near, he will catch him and he will eat him. So when the parrot come to near to the Puss, Puss jumps on the parrot and holds him in his paw. Look at this. In the picture we can see the Puss, the cat, holds the parrot in his paws. Puss says, "Now I am going to eat you." Who says? Puss says. In the previous, he says that he is an old cat. He can't eat because he has no teeth. But now, because that was the plan of that Puss, the cat. Now the Puss says, "I am going to eat you." Parrot says, "You are a good cat." Now Parrot started appreciating to the Puss. "You are a good cat. If you want to eat me, you must first wash your hands and face. That is what all good cats do." Puss, "Just see how fast I wash my face and hands. You stand here and see." The Puss says that within a few minutes I will back. I will wash my hands and face within a few minutes. So you stand here and see how fast I am. And the parrot says, "I am not going to wait you. I am not going to wait for you to eat me up. Here I am. Here I go. Bye bye, Puss." Who says? The parrot says. The parrot makes the Puss foolish and he went back. Okay, students, now read this chapter carefully and solve all the exercises and learn all the exercises of this lesson. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.